If all the microorganisms die, people would die immediately. Yes, this is a statement used by many people, but this is just an oversimplification. Okay, and this is not entirely accurate. Yes, this is accurate, there's no doubt, but not entirely accurate. To some extent, this statement is accurate. People would die immediately. Here, the immediately word, this should be replaced by another word. It would take sufficient time from weeks to months for the extinction of human life or human civilization. Anyway, we know that microorganisms play crucial roles in maintaining life on Earth. Everything means every biological entity depends on microorganisms. If you talk about our ecosystem, then ecosystem is dependent on microorganisms. The dead plants or dead animals, decomposition of those organic matter takes place due to the presence of microorganisms. So if all the microorganisms die suddenly, then in that case dead matter would accumulate and recycling of nutrients to the ecosystem would not be possible. So this is the problem with the ecosystem. Ecosystem is not getting back the nutrients which is essential for new lives on Earth. Okay. So this was one kind of problem. Next problem is the problem with agriculture. Yes, there will be collapse of agriculture because you know that plants, they require nitrogen, and that nitrogen they collect from soil. So due to the absence of microorganisms, there will be problem in nitrogen fixation, and there will be problem in absorption of nitrogen by the plants due to the absence of microorganisms. That means there will be a collapse of agricultural systems. Okay. Again, wastewater treatment. You know that for wastewater treatment processes, microorganisms are required. Due to the absence of microorganisms, there will be widespread pollution. So this could lead to human extinction. Not immediately, but over some time. Maybe it is a matter of few weeks, maybe it is a matter of few months. The place means our environment would become uninhabitable if wastewater treatment is hampered, if this process is hampered. Again, if you talk about oxygen, you know that phytoplanktons in the ocean, they contribute significantly to the production of oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. And these happen due to the presence of microorganisms. So, due to the absence of microorganisms, that means I wanted to say that if all the microorganisms all of a sudden die, then in that case the oxygen production by the phytoplanktons would not become possible. Okay, so there will be a decrease of oxygen level in our environment. So all these things contribute to what? Contribute to collapse of human civilization and hence extinction. So this way we can say that if all the microorganisms die all of a sudden, then in that case people would die, but not immediately. It would take some time. The time frame varies from several weeks to several months. Okay, so this was all about today's topic. Anyway, so this is the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching this video.